Want to replace the heating element of your coffee machine? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A screwdriver, pliers, and a new heating element. Step 1. Remove the casing. Start by unscrewing the screws at the back and remove the back panel. Then take the water reservoir out of the machine. Next, slide the sides of the casing loose. Now unscrew the screws from the top and front of the casing. When you remove the top, be careful to gently disconnect the earth wire. Step 2. Remove the old heating element. The heating element on this coffee machine is covered with a plastic plate. Unscrew all screws and disconnect the hoses to the heating element. You might want to take a photo so you know where everything goes when putting it back. Then disconnect all cables fastened with screws and cable clamps and take the old heating element out of the plastic holder. Step 3. Install the new heating element. Place the new heating element in the plastic holder and screw it in place. Then reconnect all cables with the corresponding screws and cable clamps. Screw the heating element back into the appliance, reattach the plastic cover plate, and reconnect all hoses. Step 4. Put the casing back. First, reconnect the earth wire and put the top of the casing back on. Tighten the screws firmly. Then click both sides back into place. Finally, put the back panel back on and tighten those screws well too. You've replaced the heating element and the coffee machine is ready to use again.